This is Brad. He is a salesperson. And this is Mark, his supervisor. Brad is talking to his supervisor. Let's see what is happening.
I worked so hard, but operations didn't book the files on time. Also, the sales promotion material came late. I'm also very demotivated about not meeting the targets.
Brad is saying he worked hard. Perhaps he really thinks that he did his best. But what do you think his supervisor is thinking as he listens to him? You're right. That's not what Mark is thinking.
All I'm hearing is what others should have done and not what he did. He only had excuses about why he didn't meet his target.
Oops! Brad here seems to have fallen into a trap. I call it the excuses trap. He's more focused on what others should have done. That's what others see as excuses for why targets were not met. And clearly, this affects what his supervisor and colleagues think about him. And many people across the world fall into and stay stuck in this trap. So learn about what responsibility and ownership mean and how you can demonstrate more responsibility and ownership.